Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to create a direct download link in Google Drive. Sharing files for work, school, or personal use becomes much easier with this method. We will walk you through the simple steps to make your file ready to download. Let's get started. In your Google Drive dashboard, select the file you want to create a direct download link for. For example, this cover letter document. We will create a direct download link for this file. All we need to do is go to Share and make sure the access is set to anyone with the link. Make sure that General Access shows anyone with the link. Once that's done, copy the link and click Done. Now we need to check the URL to get the file ID. Here is the file ID. We will select and copy this part right here. Once we copy it, keep it handy. Now, open a notepad or text editor. Here we have a template link saved. In this case, we will paste the file ID into the correct spot. Once pasted, this becomes our new download link. To use the link, highlight the full link, copy it, and then paste it into the URL bar. When we press Enter, the file will automatically download, as you can see here. Download complete. And that's it. We have successfully created a direct download link in Google Drive. Now others can easily access and download the file with just one click.